Alright, so I'm making a video regarding the 32X because I just realized when it came to my Model 2 Sega Genesis, you do not need a second power adapter for the 32X to work. I'll even show you proof. If I could just get my camera up there. Hold on. Look, I don't even have a power adapter in the 32X. Look at that. So, if you try to use a Model 1 Genesis with the 32X, you need that power adapter. Yeah, just nothing comes up on the screen. So, yeah, you have to have that power adapter in. You have to have that power adapter in. It's like this freaking thing is on life support. See? Oh, and to make matters worse, you don't get sound either. So yeah, if you want to have stereo sound coming out of the Genesis, you gotta use the earphone jack. So your best bet, use the Model 2 Genesis for the 32X. Sega CD and Model 1 Genesis are okay. Model 2 Genesis, I see it's only used for the 32X. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, for the sake of using the 32X with my Model 2 Genesis, I bought this little spacer for it. See if I can get this on one-handed. Sorry, the camera angle is making you a little sick. Oh, shit. Because if I didn't have that little... Let me get my light on there. If I didn't have this little piece down there, it would just look weird.